Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Miscellaneous Rahul. I'm Rahul and you are watching my YouTube channel Miscellaneous Rahul. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can easily give your phone's dial pad a totally iOS-like look. So without making late, let's get started. First of all, you need to download an application from Google Play Store. The link of the application is in the video's description. Go there and download it. After downloading it, just simply open it. At first, when you open it, you will ask your permission and will ask you to set it as your default dial pad. So just simply allow it and give all the permissions. Actually, this app is totally different from the others app. Okay, here you will find totally iOS like look. As let me show you. Here you can see this is totally as an iOS. Then let me call you can see here totally iOS. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.